In this video I will tell you about more and less. Now what is this about? It all started with more. More was the original file pager. A file pager allows you to read a text file, and the essence of more is that it is doing that screen by screen. And after showing the first screen, it will print more on the bottom line, and you hit the spacebar to see more. That is what more is doing. It's doing more. Then there is less. What is less doing? Well, less is doing more than more. It was developed to offer some more advanced features. One of the most important features that is added to less is the option to go up. In more, if you press the spacebar, you go to the next screen. And in more, there is no option to go to the previous screen. And that is one good thing about less. You can go to the previous screen using arrow keys. As a reaction to that, the more guys have developed more a little bit more. So that more again was doing more than less. But then the less guys came in, and the result is that you can still do more with less. So you want to do more? Use less. Let me demonstrate. So I'm demonstrating sudo more on var log messages. I want to take the opportunity to talk about var log messages. Var log messages on Red Hat has been the default log file where you can find system information for ages. I'll tell you later that nowadays there's this thing called the systemd journal as well, but here we can see good old var log messages. And I'm using the spacebar to move forward in the output. And next, can I go up? And guess what? We can go up. Do you see that on the lower part? The more guys have woken up again, and apparently they decided that they want to do more than less. I can tell you this is not working in all Linux distributions. This is a recent development that is working here on CentOS Stream 9. Now if I use less, I can do the same. Less on var log messages is giving me, oops, permission denied. Of course it does, because we need sudo privileges. So there we go, and you can see it's looking kind of the same, and I'm using the spacebar again to manipulate down. I can use arrow keys to go down and up as well. Yeah, that is how you work with less. Now, is that all there is to say? Well, there is one more thing that is kind of useful, and that is less minus F. The minus F is for follow. It will show you the last part of your configuration file. And the minus F makes that if anything is being logged to the configuration file, you will see that in real time. So less minus F, do remember it. And this was all that I have to say about less and more. Do remember, if you want to do more, use less.